What if you could take literally any random image from the internet and turn it into a usable 3D model in under a minute? Not just a flat AI image, actual 3D assets you can rotate, edit, or even 3D point. Today, I'm testing Neuro 4D to see if it can actually pull this off. And to make it harder, I'm using the weirdest images I could find online. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, let's dive in Neuro 4D. This is a brand new 3D AI tool just published earlier. And I think it's a totally new era of the AI 3D generation because the quality is quite amazing. It keeps a lot of details and keeps the consistency with it. Neuro 4D to see if it can actually pull this off. And to make it harder, I'm using the weirdest images I could find on. This is a brand new 3D AI tool just published earlier. And I think it's a totally new era of the AI 3D generation because it's actually usable assets. No matter if you want to use it in a game or a website or 3D movie, you can all get the benefit from it. And what's even better, and if you have a 3D pointer, you can even have it in the real life. It is a perfect tool for everybody. And I know you might be not familiar with the 3D design, but today, with my tutorial, you can learn how to make your first 3D model. Okay, what we're waiting for, let's dive in. FYI is currently in free trial, which means you can use it for free. Let's click here. This is the studio of the Neuro 4D when you log in. And we can find some models on the homepage. For example, like this robot. When you click the preview, you can easily rotate it or make it bigger, scale it, even change the texture. That's so cool, right? And what is even better, that you can actually remix this project by single click this button. And it's not only supports image to 3D, but also text to 3D and many more. And today I'm gonna challenge with a virtual old Mimi, a random anime character, one selfie. I think for the 3D AI generator, those questions are very tough. Let's see if the Neuro 4D can conquer it, okay? So first, internet Mimi. I pick up a super low quality Mimi image because this is where most AI tools fail. Yeah, I found this guy. Usually, the shape gets distorted or the looks are melt. I've dropped this image to 3D mode. And let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's click here, image to 3D. And wow, this is a new interface. So first, we're selecting image. You can also use this multi view. If you change to this toggle button, which means you need to upload more than one image. So you have a front, back, left and right and top and bottom. With more assets, you got a more accurate 3D model. And third toggle button is about the text to 3D model. You just simply write what you want to create or click here, give it a try, and click here to generate a 3D model. Let's try this ugly Mimi. And you got a texture button and a PBR button. And also you have a selection of the mesh quality. So I highly recommend you to choose a high. And for the faces count is about like with more faces, your model will be more accurate. And you can generate like 4 models at the same time. But right now, let's choose one and click create. Ooh, that's a nice effect. Oh man, we'll just check out this. What we have here. Not only we keep the consistency character, but also the same style. It's really hard to tell which is original because this is really like amazing, man. So we totally generated 3D models by a very old Mimi. It is so cool, right? And also if you don't believe your eyes, you can close the texture or change to other style. That's so crazy, right? Alright, since we already generated one old Mimi, while the first example is quite cool, right? So let's try a second one. Next, I tried something much harder. Animation characters are usually difficult for 3D generation because the style should be quite unique, right? This is where a lot of the AI 3D generators completely collapse. So let's upload our anime style character. Let's click here, Image to 3D, and simply click here. I just generated a very complex robot, and I want to see how it goes. And we keep the default settings, texture, PBR, and high mesh quality, the top faces count. Alright, let's click generate. Wow, it's time to check our results. Oh my god, can you actually believe it? The quality is good, and can you believe it? We just generated by a total 2D images. And the 2D images even generated by another AI. Wow. We keep the total consistency. I mean, it's like 1-to-1 copy from 2D to 3D. Well, I love this tool. And also you can tweak about the model as well. You can change it to different render mode. Also here, if you're not satisfied with it, you can click here to regenerate it. And also you can click here to change to AI texture. Let me demonstrate it. Now we are using the AI texture, which means you can upload the photo of a Ferrari and you can mix the model with a Ferrari, or you can type here to generate your ideal texture. Hey, we just use a prompt to retexture this robot to a red one. I guess it's time to do the final test. Now for the real stress test. Alright, we already made 2 3D models, right? Let's make the last one. So for this, I also want to use, and I already generated a model, but with a different view. So basically, I want to make a 3D model of it. At the end of the day, I want to print out by 3D printer so that I can place it in my desk. Yeah, I make a different view of this character, and that's great. So let's click here, Image to 3D. And this time we're going to use a Monty view. Okay, let's click here, Monty view, and upload our front image and also back image. Now left image and right image, top and bottom. And let's upload the top view and keep the texture PBR opened and also make the maximum faces count. And let's click create. Alright, we use the Monty view functionality to generate this amazing quality of the model. And I really love it. And I mean, all the details are kept. When you close the PBR, you got this version, which is closer to our reference image, right? Okay, everyone, long time too short. Neuro 4D is something I really love, and you can create 3D model by text, by image, by reference images, anything you name it, and the quality quite convincing, right? I think this is the best 3D AI generator I have ever seen in 2026. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so much for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave in the comment section, and I also leave some useful links in the description. Don't forget to check about that. So much for today. I hope you liked today's content, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.